Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to the Mount Snowdon.
Hello! Ooh.
Hello, YouTube!
So guys, it's quite unfortunate today we're supposed to go to Mount Snowdon, but according to them we're supposed to have booked ahead, so we booked on Friday. Instead of wasting our time, we chose Waterfall. So let's go there and see how it is, okay? So this is the best view you can see. Let's try that Waterfall view.
So far this place looks great.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's see how much we can go. The distance.
10 kilometers.
Who
A
knows?
mile. 3 trillion miles.
You can even go and walk up to Snowdon from here.
Pretty solid foundation. I'd say.
Can you leave it there?
Nah. Still pretty solid. I told Abby that mommy is not climbing this because she's just gonna roll down to the floor.
Okay.
Hi, my name is EJ Love. Today we are at the waterfall. It was an amazing day.
Not
For
yet.
something else, and
It's not gone.
yeah, but
Oh,
the little we have done,
yeah.
I enjoyed myself. I wish I could come here again.